Hey beauties, I hope everyone is staying safe and is doing well. So today I just wanted to come and show you this hair from Janet Collection. These are their jungle box braids in 30 inches. They are available in 11 different colors. If you want to check them out, I will link them down below. So for this style, I use 6.5 packs of hair, and in each pack there are 12 box braids. So I decided to do individuals around my entire head because I want to be able to move my hair around freely without any connector braids showing or any cornrows showing. For this method, it did take me about, I want to say 9 to 10 hours to do this, but I didn't do it in one sitting. I did my foundation braids one day, and then the next day I went in and did the crocheting. If you don't want to spend too much time on your hair, you can do the individual illusion method. I will link my video down below, or I will put it up here in the iCards. What I'm doing here, I'm just crocheting my natural hair into the box braid. And the only tip that I do have is to crochet the hair close as possible and make sure you stick your needle directly in the middle of the box braid, because that will help hide your natural hair a lot better. Here is the beautiful results. I ended up using 6.5 packs of hair, but the hair is well made. The braids, they held up very well with me sticking the crochet needle through them. I had no damage to the braid. Thank you all so much for watching my videos. Thank you to all my subscribers. If you are new here, please subscribe. And always remember, you are wonderful, you are amazing, and you are beautiful. Until next time, peace, love, and unity.